If you didn't know, let me tell you that our skill championship featured performances across 5 different skills: dance, theatre, poetry, singing, and art and craft. So, if you want to watch the performances from our skill championship, check the description and the pinned comment. You'll find the links to all 5 skill championship performances there. Thank you for watching.
Un aplauso pa' mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
Hi guys, we are Lumians.
I'm Anuj.
I'm Harshi. I'm Shelja.
I'm Avinash.
And today we are gonna shoot the vlog of our school event, which named as Skill Championship.
And to be honest, we don't know about cameraman, but we are very excited.
So let's go. Hi Purva.
Hi Harshu.
So can you rate your performance on a scale 1 to 10?
Yes, I can rate my performance. So I rate 8 out of 10 because I enjoy my performance a lot. But in the end of a performance, I fall to the ground. And it's a so embarrassing moment for me because everyone is looking at me and laughing. It's so embarrassing. You can understand my feeling.
Yes, I can. Okay, thank you so much. Hi Drishti. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. What about you? Perfect, always? Okay. So first tell me, how's your feeling before the event?
Me?
Yeah.
My dance is about to come in, bro.
Oh god.
Little bit mix of expressions, yeah.
Okay, I can understand. Hi Cherry.
Hello.
Okay, so are you seeing yourself as a winner?
Of course, and everyone should see him or himself as a winner. I'm looking very much forward to be a winner. I'm so excited.
Okay, that's great.
Bhaiya, I want to know that why you have taken this look.
So I'm in theatre and I'm doing Babu Rao from Fir Hera Feri.
Babu Rao.
So the thing is, his personality match with mine very well.
Yeah.
फिर से हाथ पकड़ रहे थे, समझ नहीं आता कि एक बार में मैंने बोल दिया नहीं पकड़ना और वो पकड़ मारा। तो मेरी नहीं आ पार, नहीं डर लगता मुझे इन अध्यापकों से, पर डर लगता है। आज कोई बहाना नहीं करूँगी, आज मैं करूँगी, आज मैं फोकस।
आजकल दुनिया बड़ी क्रिकेट है भाई। बैंक वाली भाई मेरे को।
Excuse me. Can you tell me something about your place?
It was an act of like. Thank you. It was an act of acid attack.
Yeah.
Basically, I am coming from the market, and in that, some people had hold my hands, and I just slapped them, and they had put the acid and all.
Amazing. I like it.
Thank you.
Hesitate in between your performance.
I hesitated a bit, as you know, in middle of the performance, my legs also start shimmering. I was just like, but then I tell to myself that it's okay. That's what my first time, and I still be confident and just play the act. Thank you.
That's great. Hi. So can you tell me the story behind your this art and craft? Hold it.
I like the flowers a lot, but like they die so quickly. So I think to make the artificial flowers, so they will stay with me forever.
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell me one word of your art and craft?
Yeah, it's very beautiful, and I loved it.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, sir, first tell me, what was your experience?
If we are talking about the today's experience, so it was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. If we are talking about the senior section, so the voice are very pleasant and very sweet song. And if we are going for the junior section, they were very small in height, but the voice was too high. So today's experience was too awesome.
Okay, thank you, sir. That's great. Hello, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, first tell me how you manage all the things.
First time it was good, I was feeling that how to compare, but when I check lyrics, rhythm, forms, so it was very easy.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Hello. So, ma'am, tell me, what was your experience?
एजुकेशन इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ बट दिस एक्टिविटी इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि इस एक्टिविटी से हमने एजुकेशन से अलग बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी जो एक हर स्टूडेंट को आना चाहिए था।
पता चला कि बच्चों में क्या क्या स्किल्स होती हैं, कहाँ किस फील्ड में वो आगे निकल कर भी आते हैं। तो पढ़ाई के साथ साथ ये भी ज़रूरी चीज़ें हैं तो जो बच्चों में होनी चाहिए।